I entered the room, checked for the scene safety. Scene is safe. There are no hazards. I'm happy to approach. I draw the curtains for patient privacy. As my hands are visibly clean, I'm going to use the alcohol hand gel, ample amount, palm to palm, palm to palm, palm over the dorsum, palm over the dorsum, fingers interlaced, fingers interlock, thumb rotation, tips of the fingers, wrist to elbow, and allow my hands to dry for 30 seconds. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Saima and I'll be your nurse looking after you today. Could you please give me your full name?
Rachel Smith.
Rachel Smith. And what would you prefer to be called?
Call me Smith.
Smith. Okay, Smith. Do you mind if I confirm your details with the ID band?
Go ahead, please.
Okay, pleplease give me your full name again.
Rachel Smith.
And your date of birth?
1945.
Okay, and your hospital number is 0145692448. Okay, Smith, do you have any allergies?
Yes.
What are you allergic to?
Penicillin and latex.
Penicillin and latex. What reaction do you get from latex?
Anaphylaxis.
And from penicillin?
Rashes.
Rashes. Okay, I'll make sure that I don't give you any penicillin containing products and you don't come in contact with any latex products while I'm here with you. Is that okay?
Okay.
Alright, thank you. So, Smith, I'm here to give you your medication for 12 o'clock time. Is that okay?
Yes, fine, thank you.
Alright, are you comfortable?
Yes.
Are you in pain?
Yes.
Okay, where do you have the pain?
On my left leg.
On your left leg. Okay, if you give you a pain score of 0 to 10, where 0 means no pain, 10 means the highest pain, where would you score it?
I was calling 6.
6. Okay, so you're having quite moderate pain. Should I change your position?
You can do that.
Okay, how is it now?
Yes, thank you.
Alright, so I will check your prescription if there is any pain medication. Do you need the pain medication?
Yes.
Okay, I'll check if there is any pain medication. I will give it to you or else I will inform the doctor to write it for you. Okay, thank you. So I'll just gel my hands. So Smith, as I said, I'm here to give you your medicines for 12 o'clock time. I just need to review the prescription. Is that okay?
Okay.
Alright. So this prescription is for Edward Smith and the date of birth is 25 to 1975. Hospital number is 01456924 and the information is correct on all the pages. Okay. So I'll be reviewing the prescription. So the admission date and time is today at 7 o'clock. Ward is an endoscopy unit. And he has non-allergies to latex and penicillin. A reaction to latex is anaphylaxis and to penicillin is rashes. Form completed by Dr. A. Kittredge and he has no special dietary requirements. Consultant is Dr. Daniels. His height is 170 centimeters, weight is 65 kgs. I will start with once only and stack doses. Date is today. Time is 10 o'clock. Drug name is midazolam. And dose is 2 mg, route is IV. Prescriber signature Dr. P. Smith, bleep number 3459, given by RN Karen and checked by RN Siju Thomas. Time given was today at 10 o'clock in the morning. The second one, the second chart, I have regular medications. And the first one is drug is omeprazole. Date is today. Dose is 20 mg. Frequency is 1 OD, once daily. Route is per oral. Duration is for 1 day. And time is 1600 hours. Start date is today. Finish date is tomorrow. Doctor signature Dr. P. Smith, bleep number 3459. It's not due for my time, so I'm not going to give this medication. And then I have drug ibuprofen. The date is today, dose is 400 mg, frequency is OD, route is per oral, duration is ongoing, time is due for now at 12 o'clock. There is no start date. There is no start date and the finish date is there. Doctor signature, bleep number is there. But I'm not going to give this medication because it's missing start date. So I'm not sure when they want to start it. So I have to code this medication. I will be coding it as 6. Today's date. Time is 1200 hours. Drug is ibuprofen. 400 mg. Missing start date of the medicine. Okay, my signature and name. Alright, the next drug I have cyclazine. Cyclazine. Date is today. Drug is dose is 4 mg. Frequency is OD. Route is per hour. Duration is ongoing. Start date is today. Finish date is ongoing. And time is due for now. Doctor signatures Dr. John. Bleep number 1234. And it's a valid prescription for my time. I would be happy to give this medication. And I have intravenous fluid therapy. Date is today. Fluid is 0.9%, normal saline, 500 ml. Rate is 250 ml per hour. Prescriber signature Dr. P. Smith. Bleep number 3459. Batch number 099987. Commenced at 10 past 11. Given by RN Tang. Checked by RN Cook. And time finished was 13 o'clock. So I need to check the IV line. I will just check if there is any infiltration or signs of infection, because they gave the infusion in the morning. The next chart I have here is prescribed oxygen therapy. There is no prescription for oxygen therapy. PRN medication. Date is today. PRN medication. Date is today. Drug is paracetamol. Dose is 1 gram. Route is per oral. And duration is 6 hourly for pain. Prescriber signature Dr. P. Smith. Bleep number 3459. Alright, so there is, I'm not going to give ibuprofen in the regular medication. So I have Smith, you have paracetamol in the PRN as required medication. Would you like to take that?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. The next drug, antimicrobial drug, is flucloxacillin. Date is today. Dose is 500 mg. Frequency is QDS. Route is per oral. Duration is for 5 days. And start date is today. Finish date plus 5 days. Prescriber signature Dr. Karim. Bleep number 123. And the time is due for now. But I'm not going to give, because my patient is allergic to penicillin. So I cannot give flucloxacillin. I'm going to code it. I'm going to code it as 2, omitted for clinical reason. So straight away I'm going to write it at the back. The time is 12 o'clock. Flucloxacillin 500 mg. Patient is allergic to penicillin. My signature and my name. The next drug I have is nitrofurantoin. Date is today. Dose is 500 mg. Frequency is TDS. Route is per oral. Duration for 5 days. Time due is now. Start date is today. Finish date plus 5 days. Doctor signature Dr. John. Bleep number 123. So it's a valid and legible prescription. I'm happy to dispense this medication. My patient is not allergic to nitrofurantoin, and it was not given in the stat doses as well. So I can dispense this medicine. So for my time, just to summarize, I have cyclazine and nitrofurantoin. Okay, Smith, just give me 2 minutes. I need to go and prepare your drug. Then I will come back. Is that okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Meanwhile, here is the call back. You can just press the buzzer if you need me, okay? Thank you. I will gel my hands. So I will keep my prescription here where I can see it. Alright, I will make my trolley is clean and it's locked. I will open it. I will make sure that my trolley has BNF and the sharp bin and alcohol hand gel. Now I will open my trolley. I need first of all nitrofurantoin. I will look for the drug. Okay, nitrofurantoin. I will make sure that I follow the 6 R's. So the right patient is Edward Smith. The right drug is nitrofurantoin. Right dose is 500 mg. Frequency is 2 TDS. Route is per oral. Duration for 5 days. Doctor signature and bleep number is there. So it's dry and intact. I'm happy to dispense this medication. I will just check the expiry date. Expiry date is 2025. Batch number is 1234. Okay, I'm happy to give this medicine. I will take 1 tablet. I'll make sure I don't touch the preparation. I'll dispense 1 tablet. Okay, keep it aside. Okay, the next second drug I have is cyclazine. I will take the tablet the bottle of the cyclizine. Okay, it's dry and intact, expiry is 2022 and batch number is 12345. I will follow the 6 hours again. Right patient is Edward Smith, right drug is cyclizine, right dose is 4 mg, frequency is OD, route is per oral, duration is ongoing, doctor signature bleep number is there. So I'm happy to dispense this medication. I'll take 1 tablet, valid and legible prescription. All right, so I've taken both of them. Once again I will check if I miss anything. Yes, paracetamol. I need to take paracetamol also. I will take paracetamol. This is the paracetamol, dry and intact, expiry is still valid, batch number is 12345. Okay, this is 500 mg per 1 tablet. So I have to take 2 tablets because it's prescribed for 1 gram. 1 gram, 2 tablets. Okay, I will follow the 6 hours again. Right patient is Edward Smith, right drug is paracetamol, right dose is 1 gram, so I have to take 2 tablets, right route is per oral, instruction 6 hourly for pain, doctor signature, bleep number is there, valid and legible prescription. I'm happy to dispense this medication. I'll take 2 tablets. All right. Okay. So I will gel my hands. I'll go back to my patient, taking my trolley and my prescription with me. Okay, Edward, I'm back.
Okay.
So I have checked your medicines and then I have followed the 6 hours while preparing your medication. But before I give you the medication, could you please give me your full name?
Edward Smith.
Your date of birth?
19/4/1922.
Okay, and your hospital number 014566942. And what allergies do you have?
Penicillin and latex.
Penicillin and latex. Okay. And what reaction do you get from penicillin?
Anaphylaxis.
And from latex?
Rashes.
Rashes. Okay, so I've made sure that I'm not giving you any penicillin containing products. However, there was a prescription for flucloxacillin. Okay, and I'm going to escalate it to the doctor. Maybe he needs to change that prescription since you are allergic to penicillin. We cannot give you flucloxacillin. Okay. All right. Thank you. I will just inform the doctor about that. And I have your tablets here with me. Do you have any swallowing difficulty?
No.
Would you like to sit up a little bit?
Yes.
Okay, I will just sit you up. Okay. So, Edward, I'm going to give you nitrofurantoin, which is the antibiotic, and paracetamol for your pain, and cyclizine, which is the anti-sickness tablet. Okay. Are you happy to take the tablets now?
I'm happy to
All
take
right.
this.
Please take it. Here's the glass of water.
Okay.
Have you swallowed the medication?
Yes.
Thank you. I will just make sure that I document it. I'll just sign it here. Just give me 1 minute. All right, Edward. Do you have any questions?
No, thank you.
All right. So I'm done with your medication. I've documented it. I will keep the trolley ready and clean for the next user. And do you need a glass of water?
No, thank you.
Okay. Are you comfortable?
Yes.
All right. So is there anything I can do for you? Nothing. Okay. Thank you so much. Here is the call bell. In case you need me, you can just press the buzzer. Thank you so much. I'm done with the procedure. I have documented everything and I will finish the procedure with final hand hygiene. Thank you.